Linyi Yingcheng Company Limited is a professional brick machine supplier with more than 10 years of manufacturing experience, specialized in making various block brick machine. Linyi Yingcheng International Trade Company Limited is responsible for exporting and overseas brick block machine service. Our company is located in Linyi City, near Qingdao Port, which is convenient to export. Our products have been exported to more than 60 different countries and get many good feedbacks for the great quality and service. We focus on the market of Africa, East Asia, South America, and so on. We also have many agents in different countries now. Sincerely welcome more and more clients to be our agents in the future. We mainly produce and sell concrete and clay block brick machine with other equipment, such as mixer equipment, batching equipment, etc. We have large, medium, small machines with various model, also with different price range. Machines are multifunctional and molds are custom, easy to make different block brick series in one machine. We commit to the pursuit of better quality, lower price, and good after-sale service, provide our customers with more and more efficient block machine, wish to support our clients a great entrepreneurial future with our products. Welcome customers from all over the world to our company for an investigation and cooperation. We will satisfy you with the high-quality machine and the most reasonable price.